Saudi Vision 2030 is paving the way to build a more sustainable future for the entire region. COP28 marks a significant drive towards sustainability for the UAE. Similarly, we at Tetra Pak, true to our commitment to making food safe and available everywhere, are living up to our promise to protecting what's good, protecting people, food and the planet. Our cartons are made from multiple layers of materials to help protecting and strengthening the package and its contents. Made in Saudi, it's been very important to us that our packaging meets the highest standards for safety, hygiene and product protection. The paperboard in our cartons come from FSC certified forest and other controlled sources. Circular economy is the idea that the end of one product's life can be the start of a new one. It's turning that empty milk carton into, for example, a 3D printed furniture that the whole family can enjoy.
Last year, we achieved an important milestone when we managed, in collaboration with our partners, to collect over 50 billion post-consumer carton packages for recycling from all over the world. At the same time, we have reduced greenhouse gas emissions in our operations by 39%, while 84% of all energy that we use comes from renewable sources. We have also invested nearly 30 million euros in the recycling value chain to accelerate collection and recycling of carton packages, while working with food technology incubators and startups to explore the future of sustainable food. We are on track to achieve net zero in our operations by 2030, in line with Saudi Vision 2030. Over the last few years, we have embarked on a mission to develop a recycling solution for our carton packages in Saudi Arabia, in line with the mission of Saudi Vision 2030 on waste management. Thanks to our joint investment and partnership with two leading Saudi recyclers, Obeikan Paper Industries, OPI, one of the largest paper recycling companies in the Middle East and North Africa, and Saudi Top Plastics, STP, the largest plastics recycler in the region, we have secured a recycling solution for all components of carton packages, not only for Saudi Arabia, but including also neighboring countries. It all starts when carton packages are received at OPI in Riyadh. The recycling process begins with the breakdown of the paper portion from cartons in what is called the pulping stage. Cartons are first loaded on a conveyor belt that will feed the hydropulper. The hydropulper works as a giant blender, combining carton packages with water under continuous agitation. This helps to extract the paper fibers and turn it into pulp, separating them from plastic and aluminum or polyol. Paper fibers are then kept in water suspension, and then all the material from the hydropulper passes through a filtration step to complete the separation process. This process creates two streams of material: paper fibers, which are converted in high-quality recycled duplex board, which will be utilized to produce packaging like tissue boxes and others; and polyol, which is a raw material that can be converted into valuable products. It is discharged from the system and transported to a compacting machine through a conveyor and pressed into bales to be transported to STP. At STP, the first step is to clean and dry the polyol received and to cut it into small pieces. It then goes to an extruder that heats the material to its melting point. The material is then pushed forward into the second extrusion step. Here, the extruded polyol is cut into small granules and transported using circulating cold water. The granules are then dried and packed to be utilized in several applications, for example injection molding, to produce purposeful plastic products.
At Tetra Pak, we believe that circular economy and our recycling process will usher into a new, more sustainable future for Saudi Arabia and for the region. We are actively taking part in ensuring that we take steps to build a more sustainable future, so we can keep our promise, protecting what's good,
food,
people,
and the planet.